So welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you how to get the Windows 10 Fall Creators Update if you have not received it yet and don't want to wait until Microsoft gives it to you. This can take a while since Microsoft is having a staged rollout. I will also talk about its performance versus the previous version, so Redstone 2 was Redstone 3, and will show you my favorite features in this update. So there are two methods to update to Windows 10 Fall Creators Update. One is via the updater from Microsoft's website, and the other is to join the Release Preview Insider ring. So, to get the update via Microsoft's website, type in this link, will be in the description below, and click the Update Now button. Once it has finished downloading, run the downloaded file by clicking on it. If it asks you if you want to allow this app to make changes, click Yes. The updater will launch and you can then update your Windows with it. I am already running the Fall Creators update, which is why I get this message. So just follow what it asks you to do. For the Insider method, you have to click Settings, then Update and Security, then Windows Insider Program. Once you are there, press Get Started. Next, choose your Microsoft account, and then when it asks you what kind of content you would like to receive, select Just Fixes, Apps and Drivers. This puts you on the Release Preview ring, which has a pretty low chance of bugs occurring. Then you need to restart your computer, and when restarted, Windows should download the update. You can see this in the Windows Update tab in the settings. So now onto the performance comparison to the previous version. So the performance is like, the benchmark here is slightly lower CPU performance and slightly higher GPU performance, so not really much difference. But then in Heaven benchmark, it's 3 FPS more, so it's quite a bit of a difference, I guess, could make a difference. That's GPU testing. And I also found that in the Cortana search box, when you type, the delay is gone. There used to be a delay between when you typed in, when you actually put it in there. I also find that the startup of Windows seems to be slightly faster, and it seems to feel a bit more snappy. As you can see, the programs are taking a while to launch, but that's just my computer. So my favorite new features are the taskbar, that you can make it smaller. So right click on taskbar, click taskbar settings, and then turn on use small taskbar buttons. I just find this looks better in my opinion. And yeah, I just prefer it. So you can also link your phone now to your computer. So if you use Edge on your phone and your computer, you can continue doing what you did on your phone on your computer. So basically you log in with your Microsoft account on your phone and your computer on the same account. So in Edge, you just, on your phone, while you're browsing through it, you just press the button to send to computer, select your computer once it's paired, and it will open the tab in Edge on your computer. It will also launch Edge on your computer if it's not launched yet. Another thing is the people thing on the taskbar, so you can pin people there. And in the task manager, there's now a GPU tab, so to see a GPU performance. If you don't have this already, if it's not visible, just right click and select it, put a tick next to it. And also if you go into performance under GPU, you can see heaps of info on GPU, like all that stuff, which is quite useful in my opinion. And then there's VR, which is quite cool, which I sadly can't use, but it looks quite cool. It says my driver is out of date or something. And there's other warnings with my computer not being good enough, because VR needs a pretty good computer. So basically that doesn't work, but it would probably be rather cool. So thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed it. Please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Any questions are more than welcome, just ask them in the comments below and I will answer them as quickly as possible. Thanks.